Right, I'm trying to post this, and basically somebody is saying called Nicole Lazarou. I'm still waiting for someone to explain to me how the indigenous somehow managed to build their mosque on top of the remains of the temples of the colonizers. I'm being blocked from posting it, as you can see. So I'm replying, Israelites are invaders. They are still that. The Arab people called Muslims and other beliefs occupied this land before the Jews. But back then they were not known as Christians, nor Muslims, nor Jews. Obviously I left that out. Maybe that's what they want me to put in. So I'll put as Christians, Jews, nor Muslims. The Jews are invaders and, well, invaders, a nomadic people. Look deeper at, into, and under synagogues. You see, I did a search for the oldest religious sites in the world. Okay? Which are the oldest temples in the world, as they call them? Stonehenge, Valley of the Kings. There's quite a lot. I don't know about that. This business of blue, but I would expect it would have got a lot of attention. You know, I mean, if you look at Gulliver Travels and what they call Yahoos, I mean, I think they were using a lot of drugs back then as well. Egyptian, there's a lot old. There's temples that are a lot older than the Egyptians. So the order of succession is, as we know, there were plenty of the religions that we do know of before the Jews. They are not the oldest religion in the world. And if you look at all the religions currently in the world, if you have the opportunity, but we'll stick to Jews, Christians, and Muslims, and that's the order of succession. Jesus is, the claim, was a Jew and formed the Christian faith. Then, that was during the Roman occupation, okay? Then the Muslims rose up. The Muslims became into being. You see, they're the ones that put down all the what the Romans would call pagans. The Muslims then decided to do the same with what they termed as similar, basically, as the Christians did before, but obviously it didn't work as well. So then the Muslims rose up and formed and basically decided to put down all that debauchery as well. So prior to the Romans, you have the Greeks. I don't know how far it goes. I don't know all of them. But you can take it all the way back to Africa. You can also take elements of the Christian, Muslim, and Jewish faith all the way to China and other countries. Because if you look at it anyway, you can basically build a map, a visual map of how each religion in the Middle East formed. You know, if you had a graph for each one, maybe like a spider chart that just like branches out, or a family tree, you will see, as far as religions are concerned, that a lot of them, if not all, are interconnected, especially with the Roman Catholic Church, which was the beginnings of the Christian Church. Okay, well, you know, as they might say, proper. That's when the Romans and the Christians sat down and decided to amalgamate, which the Romans were doing anyway with all the other ancient religious beliefs prior to the Christian faith here in Europe and other countries. Okay, they even borrowed from the Greeks as well. Okay, so you'll find they're all interrelated, all of them. So that is why, you see, they don't like this. The Jews want to impose upon us the lie that they are the oldest surviving religion in the world. No, they're not. They are certainly not. They're about to become one of the first modern extinct religions, of the older religions in the world, the way they're behaving. Them and the Christians, at least.